Hi everyone. Let us start with real numbers, exercise 2.7 and question number 5 today. So in this question you are asked find the value of 8 minus 5 root 2 and 3 minus 2 by root 2 up to 3 decimal places, which means you have to simplify this and find some value in decimals with only 3 places of decimal. So let us start the question. So the solution is, we have to first write what is given. The given thing is 8 minus 5 root 2. Write the question carefully, okay? By 3 minus 2 root 2. So how will you solve this? You can directly apply the value of this, but that is going to be little difficult. So what you have to do is, first of all, you try to rationalize this. So for that, what we have to do is, do you remember what we have to do? Since this is the final question, hope you remember that. Yes, you have to multiply by the conjugates. 3 plus conjugate means change the sign of the surds. Okay, this is negative here. So you can change it as positive. We have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So this is how you multiply it. So now, alwhere throughout the exercises, we are using only two formulas. A minus B into A plus B. If the order is changed also, it doesn't change. So A plus B into A minus B is also the same as what? Yes, A square minus B square. And so this is only used here. So let us start using that for denominator. So the denominator, let us write it first. It becomes A minus B. This is our A and this is our B. So what you have to write? A square minus B square. So A square is 3. B square minus, do remember you have to put 2 root 2, which is your B, the whole square. Okay. Now we have to just multiply this over here, and then what you have to do is, okay, let's do, and next 8 with 2 root 2. So what is 8 3? 8 3s are 24. And then this is positive and this is positive. No worries, just put the positive symbol. 8 into 2. 8 2s are 16 root 2. Now you are done with your 8. Now if you could see, you have got your negative sign over here. So what you have to do is, first put the negative sign. Negative sign here, it is positive. So just put the negative into positive is negative. So now 5 and 3 root 3 and this 5 root 2 is 2 root 2. So what is 5 root 2 into 3? 5 3s are 15. Root 2 you don't have to do anything. Write it as such. And next will be 5 and 2 root 2. Here also you have to put the minus symbol. And then 5 2s are 10. Now you have root 2 root 2. So what you can do that? It becomes root to the whole square. So you can directly write it as, what is root to the whole square? Yes, 2. So you can write it directly or you can write in the next step. So here the next step will be, see 24 is alone there, you don't have any numbers here, you will get it here. So wait for it. So till that write your 24. Now 16 root 2 and 15 root 2. What you can write here? Yes, it will be a plus root 2. Okay. And then which means 16 times root 2 minus 15 times root 2, which is nothing but 16 minus 15, which is 1. So that becomes 1 times root 2. So root 2. Okay, minus 10 into, what is that? You have to put 2 or 4. Yes, we have to put 2 because root 2 the whole square. So root 2 the whole square is nothing but 2. Now let's go to the denominator. So 3 square means, what is 3 square? 9 minus, here also 2 square into root 2 the whole square. Right? You can directly solve this also. But anyways, let us take it to the next step. Now the numerator. So the numerator is, again write your 24 plus root 2 and minus 20. Okay. And what is the denominator again? 9 minus 2 2s are 4 into what you have to do? 2 square is 4, but root 2 square is 2. Now what we have to do is, now we can club these two, right? 24 minus 20 is, yes, 4 plus root 2. And then we have to write 9 minus, what is this? 4 2s are 8. And one more thing is here, okay, let us write one more step also. 4 plus root 2 remains as such and divided by 9 minus 8 is 1. So which becomes here 4 plus root 2. Now if you could see, you have got the value of root 2 in your question as 1.414. So what we can do is, you can substitute the value of root 2 which is given in the question. So that will be 4 plus 1.414. So that will be, how will you add this? Yes, let's add only the decimal parts and these parts together. If you have any confusions, write it like this. 1.414 plus where you have to write the 4 here or here? Yes, we have to write here because 4 is 4 point. If you write here, that is a mistake. So don't do that. Now that will be 0, 0, 0. So which will be 4, 1, 4 and 5. So your answer will be 5.414. So what you have to do is just to take your conjugate and multiply. You'll always be applied this formula a square minus a square minus b square, which will be your formula. So you have to apply this. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, and keep on simplifying. You will end up with some surds, and then what you have to do is apply the value, put the value of the surd, and then you will end up with your decimal number. And final one step will be, they have asked up to 3 decimal places. So just check your answer if it is 3. This is 3, so that is fine. If suppose you've got more than 3, like 1.416 or something, just round it up, okay? Here we don't have such things. We have already ended up with only 3 places of decimal, so we can stop here. Hope you understood this question. Thanks for watching. Bye.